Welcome back to LGS Cars. The automotive world is trembling. Lexus has just unleashed a creation that redefines the boundaries of luxury SUVs, the all-new LX 570 2026. Bigger, bolder, more powerful, and smarter than ever before, this machine is not just an evolution, it's a statement that Lexus refuses to be anything less than extraordinary. Exterior design, commanding presence, elevated prestige. The 2026 LX 570 is a visual powerhouse. From the very first glance, the gigantic spindle grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by ultra-slim triple-beam LED headlights with signature DRLS that slice through the night like a blade. The sculpted hood, pronounced wheel arches, and bold 22-inch alloy wheels create an aura of unstoppable strength. On the sides, sleek lines flow seamlessly into a muscular rear, while the elongated roofline balances elegance with practicality. The rear design is a showstopper, a full-width LED light bar with Lexus spelled proudly across the back, giving the LX a futuristic yet timeless identity. Interior, a palace on wheels. Step inside, and the LX 570 2026 feels less like an SUV and more like a luxury sanctuary. Lexus has elevated craftsmanship with hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum accents. Ambient lighting offers 64 customizable colors to set the perfect mood. The cabin is available in both 5-seat ultra-luxury and 7-seat family configurations, with first-class captain's chairs in the second row for ultimate comfort. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats transform every journey into a spa-like experience. At the heart of the dash sits a 14-inch high-definition infotainment display paired with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a head-up display. The latest Lexus interface system supports over-the-air updates, voice assistant, and seamless smartphone connectivity. For audiophiles, the 25-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system turns the cabin into a concert hall. Performance, power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the Lexus LX 570 2026 takes performance to new heights. 3.5-liter, twin-turbo V6 hybrid, delivering around 430 horsepower and 600 Newton-meters of torque, 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth yet precise power delivery. Advanced full-time four-wheel drive with multi-terrain select for unbeatable off-road dominance, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6.5 seconds, despite its massive size, improved fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. Thanks to hybrid engineering, Lexus has also introduced adaptive variable suspension, AVS, and active height control, allowing the SUV to automatically adjust ride height depending on terrain. Whether it's city cruising or desert dunes, the LX 570 handles it all with unmatched confidence. Safety and technology, maximum protection. The 2026 LX 570 is fortified with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, including pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, dynamic radar, cruise control with curved speed management lane, keeping assist and lane change assist, 360-degree panoramic view monitor, advanced driver assist for semi-autonomous driving market position, a global statement of power. The Lexus LX 570 2026 isn't just another luxury SUV, it's designed to compete with the Mercedes-Benz GLS, BMW X7, and Range Rover. Yet Lexus gives it a unique edge, a perfect fusion of Japanese craftsmanship, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and legendary durability. This model is aimed at leaders, adventurers, and families who want luxury without compromise. Whether you're attending a red carpet gala or exploring remote mountain trails, the LX 570 delivers prestige and capability in equal measure. Conclusion: more than an SUV, it's a legend reborn. The 2026 Lexus LX 570 is not just a vehicle, it's a rebirth of a legend, a commanding presence on the road, a cocoon of comfort inside, and a technological marvel under the skin. Lexus has built an SUV that doesn't just meet expectations, it destroys them.